Ops, huwag mo nang panoorin to kung di ka naman pupunta ng Taiwan. This is your ultimate Taiwan travel walkthrough. As you know, coming from the 1 week ng
Taipei weather update, Taipei weather update, Taipei weather update.
I spent 7 days and 6 nights sa Taipei, Taiwan, kaya marami akong masashare na video, pero umpisahan muna natin sa pre-flight preparations bago pa kayo lumipad papuntang Taipei. Syempre, first on the list is your passport, and so far, no visa needed pa para sa mga Pinoy travelers. Syempre, very important is sign up sa e-travel para yan sa Philippine Immigration. Optional na lang if you wanna bring documents para sa immigration sa IO. And then, very important to also sign up for the Taiwan Online Arrival Card para hindi ka na ma-hassle. Guys, iba to sa e-travel. This one is para naman sa Taiwan Immigration. Also, if you want a chance to win 5,000 NTD or mga 8,000 pesos, sign up din kayo dun sa Taiwan Lucky Land. Optional, but I highly encourage to get travel insurance din para lang protected kayo while abroad. Para sa mga kailangan i-pack, depende yan sa weather, pero check the link in my bio for a printable packing list na downloadable for free. Next is to pre-book your tickets and tours like yung EC card, data SIM card, eSIM, or pocket Wi-Fi, pati yung mga day tour nyo. You can all book these over Klook. Use my code for additional discounts. When it comes to your data or Wi-Fi pala, gagawa rin ako ng video comparing data SIM card, eSIM, and pocket Wi-Fi, so make sure to follow. Last is usapang pera, so either you bring cash or magdala na kayo ng debit card or GCash, Maya, or GoTime cards para sa cash withdrawals. And you're set. Follow for more.